What's going on, guys? For today's video, we're going to be walking you through the entire process of what it takes to create a pair of these Vans in a Bape camo theme. So you're going to see everything that goes into doing all the Bape camo along with the shark teeth. Before we get into showing you guys anything, all of the supplies used in today's videos, from the paint all the way to the stencils, we have links directly to all of that in the bio below. So go ahead and check those out and let's dive right in. Real quickly, we're going to touch on all of the supplies needed for today's video. You're going to need to start with a pair of Vans Old Schools, along with some Angelus paintbrush set. They have all different sizes and a wide variety of angles and whatnot that are perfect for you. Some of the Angelus red vinyl tape. We have a few different stencils for the shark teeth and the Bape camo. I like to use a Krylon matte finish. And then you're going to need a few different colors. You're going to need black, green, white, beige taupe, some Angelus 2 Soft or GAC 900, brown, duller, light gray, and fire red.
Alright guys, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and lay some of your vinyl tape across the sole. You can either go all the way around the sole or just across the panel where we're going to be doing the shark teeth is fine. After this, we're going to go ahead and get right into our base coats across the panels that we're going to be painting. I like to start with a 1:1 ratio of light gray to 2 soft. Using the color light gray is going to give you a much better base rather than the color white. After you've laid down about 2 coats of light gray, you can go ahead and do your other colors on top of that. I recommend roughly 2 coats of your beige taupe on top of your light gray base where you're going to be doing the Bape camo. And then I also recommend 3 to 5 coats of white on top of your light gray base where we're going to be doing the shark teeth. Now it's time to go ahead and get into the stencil work of our project. You can either lay down the shark teeth and go ahead and paint your black and red individually, or the way that I recommend using these stencils is more so treating them like a guide. So I'll lay down the shark teeth and then go around and trace each of the teeth. After I do that real lightly with a pencil, I can go ahead, take a step back and look and see if I think everything is perfect to my liking, and then I'll go ahead and individually trace out my red first and then my black around the teeth. I'm going to go ahead and throw up the color ratios on the screen that you'll need to complete the Bape camo set. After that, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with the Bape camo stencils that I did with the shark teeth. I'm going to go ahead and lay them down and lightly trace around them. After that, you're going to go ahead with your paintbrush and lightly fill in roughly 2 to 3 coats of each color within the camo print. And now that these are all done, let's go ahead and take a look at some on-foot shots of these.
Alright, so there you have it, guys. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Go ahead and give it a like if you did. If you're new to the page, first off, make sure you're subscribed and go ahead and check out some of our other recent videos where we've been putting out tons of tutorials and tips and tricks types of videos that you guys can learn from. Go ahead and keep sending us your suggestions and feedback on what other types of videos you'd like to see from us in the future. And before we go ahead and get out of your guys' hair, we need to make sure that we announce the winner from our Customizer Hacks giveaway video. So, the winner is Mr. Brandon Denton. Go ahead and send us an email to contact@dejesusinc.com. That email is located in the description below, and we will go ahead and get this Angelus starter kit mailed out to you. And we look forward to seeing what you guys create. Make sure you tag us in it. We'll see you guys in the next one.